Hi, it's Rona, and today for Scraplift Crafternoon, we are scraplifting Michele. She is the stamp booker on YouTube, and if you have not checked out her channel, you should definitely do that. I believe she is either very close to her 1,000 subscriber mark, or she has just recently reached it, but you will definitely want to take a look at what she's creating lately. She is fantastic and very supportive and a wonderful person. I created this layout in May when we were doing May I Scraplift You. I'm going to link up the video that I did. I don't know how I picked the exact same layout that we have picked for today for Scraplift Crafternoon, but I did, and I totally could have scrap lifted this again because the design is fabulous and I love it. But I'm not feeling real good, and I just wasn't feeling like that. I just decided I would link this up and I was just going to play. So if you want to watch this video, it's linked up. If you want to see something totally different that's not the scrap lift for the day, stick around. I am going to use my Color Rush Studio kit that we got in July that I haven't even touched yet because I had a crop going on. And my daughter is sending me these pictures. These are actually from this morning. They're on a little trip, and she sent me these pictures this morning, and I just thought, I just feel like playing. These are super cute, and I remembered that I had my Color Rush Studio kit that I haven't even gotten to play with yet, so that's what I'm going to do. I narrowed it down off camera because I can tell you right now, I am having a terrible time making any decisions. So hopefully I can make it through the video. But these are some of the things I narrowed down that I want to try and use. I liked the title. I have some ideas for how I want to do that. I printed this picture of the little groundhog that they saw. And I knew Hudson would want that on his page. This is actually from my May kit, but I'm going to use the back side of it because it's perfect. And then I just pulled out a few other little things. These are not part of the kit, but I had them in my stash. A friend of mine just gave those to me, so they were the right colors, and I liked having another little something that was blue that matches this, because I thought it worked well with the photos and kind of what Hudson's wearing, that bluish gray color. So let's see what will happen here with this. Okay, I didn't mention the manufacturers. The 49 and Market paper is the Travel Diaries. That's my background. And then I matted off screen with Bo Bunny Brighton. That's the floral. And also Vicky Bouton Cut and Paste. And that is the newsprint. And there's kind of a newsprint in the background of the 49 and Market paper. I thought it all tied together well, and I really like how that floral paper, even though I hated to just use it for a mat because it's so beautiful, I really like how it kind of made the pictures pop off the page. So I did sacrifice the beauty of that paper just for that extra pop here. And I have other florals, it's fine. I did decide to go ahead and use some Vintage Photo Distress Oxide ink to add a little inking around each of the photos, around the little heart. You saw that there, that postcard at the top. Kind of went inking crazy, and I don't ink a whole lot, so that was kind of fun, something different. I wanted to use that frazzle, as they call it, on the tag, and that's how they ship the frazzle to you, is all tied together in that tag, and it's really cute. I have had a good time playing with that, and then also we've just been playing with some other fabrics. So yeah, that's kind of fun. I thought that was going to show underneath, so I cut that little corner off. kind of trying to decide how I want the pictures. Like I said, these are pictures that my daughter and her family took this morning. They're in Branson, Missouri, and this is top of the rock. And they just rented a golf cart and then kind of just drove around and saw the sights. She said the weather was gorgeous because it's been pretty hot, but it was like 70 degrees this morning when they got out there, and she was sending me pictures, and I just kind of wanted to play with that. And honestly, as I have just kind of sat here in my scrapbook room um, this afternoon, my coughing has really calmed down quite a bit. I don't know if it was horrible this morning just because I was up trying to do some things, and our garage door broke and my husband's working on that, and I was doing my chicken chores and just all the things as you do. But anyway, it was awful. I had to sit down. It was terrible. But as I've been playing, I've been feeling better. So I think the doctor orders just more scrapbooking, right? It always makes us feel better. Well, not always, but it did today, so it's good. So I'm kind of liking this little design. And so I'm going to go off camera and do some gluing, and then I'll come back on and show you kind of what I came up with. I did have to alter a little bit because when I started gluing, it didn't end up exactly like this. And that happens sometimes after it's kind of permanently on there. I decided my little arrow needed something behind it. It was too blendy, and so I glued it on a little scrap of that paper that I matted the photos with. And here I have glued everything down. I walked off and let it, because I use Nuvo Deluxe adhesive behind almost everything, just to give it, it needed some wet glue on this. Some of the elements were fabric and some were acetate, and then the acrylic pieces. So it really needed quite a bit. I used everything that I picked out to use except for that one piece. So I was super excited about that. When I glued and stuck my magnet on top of my little arrow there, it must have moved a little bit. So it's kind of pointing up, but I kind of liked it because it was kind of pointing to road trip. And the Go See Wander, I decided that was a fun title, so I like how that turned out. And basically, very simple layout, very short video. It is not the scrap lift that you showed up here for, but I hope you will go back and watch that other one, and also that you get some time just to play and do what makes you feel better today as well. I hope to be back again very soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.